Add this one ingredient to your oatmeal to clear your arteries. Most people know oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts you can start your day with, and they're absolutely right. But here is something most seniors never realize. Every morning, your heart wakes up before you do. It pumps, it pushes, it keeps your body alive. But as we age, especially after 50, the highways of our body, our arteries, begin to narrow. Plaque quietly builds up, circulation slows, and oxygen delivery to the brain and muscles weakens. The good news? You can fight back, not with another pill, but with a simple breakfast upgrade. The simple choices you make with your oatmeal can mean the difference between healthy blood flow and arteries that slowly close up over the years. Oatmeal on its own is a great start, but by itself, it's not powerful enough to undo years of plaque buildup or restore aging blood vessels. That's why today, I'll reveal the 5 powerhouse ingredients that can turn your simple bowl of oatmeal into a heart-healing breakfast. These are nature's own medicines, simple, powerful foods that cleanse your arteries, energize your blood flow, and protect your heart every single day. And make sure to watch until the end because ingredient number 1 is the most surprising. It's a natural powerhouse that can awaken your circulation and bring new life to your arteries in only a few days. Before we get started, I'd love to know your age group and where you're tuning in from. Let's see how many countries we've got here today. Let us know in the comments and tell us how your health has been lately. Let's break it down. The power of oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of nature's most heart-friendly foods. It's packed with beta-glucans, soluble fibers that form a gel in your gut, binding to cholesterol and carrying it out of your body. Clinical studies from Harvard and the Journal of Nutrition show that people who eat oatmeal daily have lower LDL cholesterol, better blood pressure, and reduced risk of heart attack. But here's the secret: oatmeal is the foundation, not the full formula. To truly clear your arteries, you need to fortify your bowl with the right ingredients. Ingredient number 1, cinnamon, the circulation booster. Cinnamon isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerful metabolic regulator. Research published in Diabetes Care found that cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar spikes, reducing the inflammation that stiffens arteries. I sprinkle a teaspoon into my oatmeal every morning. It gives warmth, flavor, and science-backed protection for your arteries. Ingredient number 2, flaxseed, nature's fiber and omega-3 powerhouse. Flax seeds are tiny but mighty. They're loaded with ALA omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, compounds that help dissolve plaque buildup and lower LDL cholesterol. In a 2013 Canadian study, participants who consumed 30 grams of ground flaxseed daily saw a 15% drop in bad cholesterol within 3 months. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed in your oatmeal can make a major difference in your artery health. Ingredient number 3, chia seeds, the blood flow balancer. Chia seeds expand in liquid, forming a gel that slows digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. But more importantly, they're rich in arginine, an amino acid that supports nitric oxide production, the molecule responsible for keeping blood vessels flexible. Flexible arteries mean smoother circulation and less strain on your heart. Soak chia seeds overnight, stir them into your oatmeal, and you're feeding your blood vessels a youth elixir. Ingredient number 4, turmeric, the anti-inflammatory shield. Behind every blocked artery is inflammation, a silent fire that damages vessel walls and attracts cholesterol like a magnet. That's where turmeric steps in. Its active compound, curcumin, has been shown in clinical studies to reduce inflammatory markers and improve endothelial function, the inner lining of your arteries. A pinch of turmeric, plus a dash of black pepper for absorption, transforms your oatmeal into a healing powerhouse. But there's one more ingredient that ties it all together, the secret heart-strengthening weapon most people forget. Ingredient number 5, the big reveal, walnuts. Walnuts are the ultimate brain and heart food. They're rich in plant-based omega-3s, arginine, and polyphenols, compounds that reduce oxidative stress and make arteries more elastic. A study from the American Heart Association found that eating just a handful of walnuts a day reduced LDL cholesterol by 16 points and improved artery flexibility by up to 24%. Walnuts don't just protect your arteries, they nourish your brain, too. Better circulation means more oxygen, sharper memory, and steadier energy throughout the day. You're not just making breakfast, you're building a stronger heart, clearer arteries, and sharper mind. Whether you're 50, 60, or 70 plus, this simple morning habit can transform your circulation, protect your brain, and bring your energy back. If you found this video eye-opening, hit like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to HealthEclipse for more doctor-backed advice for seniors.